is the time, there's no more waiting. Who will you be when the light dawns? Sweat on your palms and your pulse is racing. Who will you be when the moment...
As a speaker, I have seen the interest of the participants. They're very much engaged and participative in terms of unpacking the learning competencies or the curriculum guide for matatag curriculum intended for mathematics grade 4. Tingin ko, interesado naman sila doon sa pinag-aaralan and they're ready to embrace the new curriculum and implement it this coming school year. So hopefully with the trainings that we're providing to them today, with the knowledge that they gain from this professional development training, mai-implement ng maayos yung ating bagong curriculum, which is the Matatag curriculum. Yun, no? Sa lahat ng questions pertaining to how they, in the context of being a master teacher and being a school head, no, I have learned how these master teachers are, how they are creative, no, in delivering their content regardless of the curriculum that we have. And now that meron tayong Matatag curriculum, for sure mas magiging creative pa rin sila, no, in delivering their content. And as for the lens of the school head, no, nakita din namin, no, based from their sharing na one of the important factors to consider para masabi natin successful ang instructional delivery sa classroom yung alignment ng mga curriculum standards, no, doon sa instructional practices saka assessment na ginagamit ng teacher sa pagtuturo.
Ayan, Aldrin, no, salamat. Very good naman so far, no, mula dun sa mga feedback natin kahapon, mula sa accommodation, sa training venue, sa program management, at of course, sa mga learning sessions. Well, may mga nakita tayong mga mangilan-ngilan na naging aberya kahapon, no, if I may say aberya, no, lalo na sa ating food preparation and serving. However, ngayong araw na ito ay nakita natin na nag-respond naman kaagad ang ating venue patungkol dun sa naging konting aberya kahapon.
Now is the time, there's no more waiting. Who will you be when the light dawns?
Ngayon ang second day ng ating Division Training of School Trainers on the Matatag Curriculum Implementation for Kindergarten, Grade 1, Grade 4, and Grade 7. Marami po kami natutunan ngayon. Ngayong second day pa lang, pero marami na, no? Full pack na tayo sa learnings natin dito sa Matatag Curriculum. Marami pang mga malalaman na i-discuss ng ating mga speakers. So, marami pa po kaming inaasahan na learnings na magmumula sa ating mga speakers. Of course, hindi ito magiging madali para sa lahat. Big difference must be accepted and embraced by the teachers, the school leaders, and the learners for the successful implementation of this Matatag curriculum. Masaya ako na kabilang ako dito sa Division Training of School Trainers kasi bilang school head, malalaman ko kung ano ba yung difference ng dating curriculum ngayon sa bago nating Matatag curriculum. Ang setup kasi ng aming Mathematics 7 teachers, mga trainers natin, parang lock session lang kasi. No? So, hindi ito parang discussion lang. More on discussion kami, sharing of insights, kung ano yung mga experiences namin as school leaders, as teachers also, at yung mga difficulties nila and issues sa mga learners nila dito sa mathematics.
Mga pakasana nga po, no, laging nandiyan ang DepEd, no, para maisulong itong ating mga anumang issues na natalakay dito sa math curriculum, matatag curriculum math subject. And so, for the last word, Madam.
Okay, the Department of Education has been continually improving its curriculum. And so for the rest of the year, we will be hearing matatag curriculum. And so, ladies and gentlemen, let us accept that this curriculum is for the children and for all of us at the Department of Education. Let's accept matatag curriculum, magpakatatag tayong lahat. Thank you very much.
The clock is ticking and it's now or never. We're gonna take it, yeah, you know we do it better. The clock is ticking and it's now or never.
Yung dito po, masyadong maraming learnings ako natutunan, lalo na sa mga unpacking of learning competencies. No? Yun yung pinaka-focus namin sa dito ngayon. Mas na-appreciate ko siya ngayon kesa yung mga previous trainings natin about sa learning, unpacking of learnings. No? Mas detalyado ngayon. Nung una, nahihirapan ako, mahirap mag-adjust. Pero doon sa process ng activities namin, mga output, unti-unti natututunan ko siya, ganito lang pala. No? Meron kami peer discussion, then na-integrate namin yun, or nagkakaroon kami ng reflection, ano ba yung mga natin last time, yung mga ginagawa natin last time, then na-integrate natin at mas na-enhance natin ngayon yung mga activities. Masaya ako, lalo na bilang isang bagong school head, mas maituturo ko ito, no, itong knowledge na nagain ko ngayon ay mas may apply ko ngayon sa school na kung saan nandun ako ngayon na naka-assign sa mga teachers natin.
Let's go for it. Let's get it. We're unstoppable.
TCSD is looking forward for the Matatag curriculum implementation because TCSD is Matatag ready.